Good morning, children. Today we are going to do lesson 2, human body. Already you have learned in standard 2 about it. Let's revise something about it. Our body is like a machine. The way a machine does work, same way our body also does work. But in a machine, if you see, there are different parts. Same way, in our body also, there are different parts like hands, brain, legs, stomach, which work together and help us. We also have sense organs like eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. All the body parts are called organs. Now, what is an organ? An organ is a part of a body which performs a particular function. Now, what do you mean by function? A particular work. So, our body has many organs. Some organs we can see easily, like hands, nose, legs, and so they are called external organs. Some other organs are there inside our body and cannot be seen, like stomach, brain, liver, heart. Such organs are called internal organs. So, we are going to learn about some internal organs like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, etc. In this, let's start with brain. How do we remember things? How do we solve our problems? Our brain helps us in all these things. Our brain helps us to think, to remember, to solve problems. It is present inside our head and is protected by skull. Skull is a bony cage which protects the brain. It is a master organ of our body. Why? Because it controls every function of our body like movement, breathing, heartbeats, etc. So, brain is a very important part of our body. Second important organ is heart. It is a muscular organ having 4 chambers. It is situated in the center of our chest, slightly towards the left. It is also enclosed by a rib cage. Rib cage is a bony part which protects the heart. The main function of the heart is to pump blood to every part of the body. A heart beats 72 times in an adult person. Next internal organs are lungs. Lungs are a pair of spongy structures present on either sides of our chest. They are also protected by the rib cage. The main function of lungs is to help in breathing. When we breathe in, the lungs they expand, and when we breathe out, they contract. Now children, tell me, whenever you eat food, where does it go? The food goes to the stomach through the food pipe. Stomach is a pear-shaped muscular organ. It is located just below the ribs. The food which we eat is broken into simple substances and is mixed with some digestive juices which are produced by the stomach. So, the work of stomach is to help in digestion of food. Next is liver. Liver is a reddish brown colored organ. It is located on the right side of the stomach. Do you know, children? It is the largest internal organ of our body. Now, what is the work of liver? The liver helps in the digestion process. Then second work, what it does is it filters and detoxifies the blood. What do you mean by detoxifies the blood? It means it takes out all the dirty things from the blood and makes the blood pure. Let's talk about kidneys. What are kidneys? Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs. They help in removing waste from our body. All the waste from the body is taken to the kidneys, and kidneys, they remove this waste from the body in the form of urine. So they are also very important part of our body.